you should have received your special ice cream treat along with a bag that looks like this. Sit back, enjoy your ice cream from Weber's, and I'll show you what to do with the items in here. Besides this bag, you will need some tape, some glue, and if you have it, a little paintbrush. If you don't, you can use your finger and just get sticky. It's not a big deal. Inside your bag, you have a ball, a little brown piece of triangle paper, a pen, some glitter, a little red poof ball, and some tissue paper. The first thing we're going to work with is the triangle. Whoops. Going to be an ice cream cone in just a moment. We're going to run a little bead of glue along one edge. We are going to carefully curl it around. It's a little tricky. You're just going to play with it a little bit. It does not have to meet all the way perfect down to the bottom. You want to worry about the top edge being together. Take a little piece of tape, it'll help hold it while the glue is drying. The next thing you're going to do, you're going to take your glue and you're going to run a bead of glue around the top edge of your cone. So, ball's going to fit like that. Play with it all that you have to. Once your ball is on top, you're going to take some glue, put it on the ball, spread it out all over. You want to cover the whole ping pong ball with glue. You're going to take a piece of tissue paper, place it on top, smooth it out as best you can. There's going to be some little wrinkles. You can't avoid it. That's okay, because quite frankly, ice cream curls. If you rip it or make a mistake, you have a second piece. Next, you're going to take your glue again. You're going to run glue around the bottom where the ball meets the thing, a little bit on the paper that's overhanging. Now you can use your brush, you can use your fingers. You're just going to take this extra paper and kind of wrinkle it up around the edges to make the bottom of your ice cream. If you want, you can crinkle some of it hanging down. And this is your fingers get sticky. Like your ice cream is melting. You're making your own little cone. Just like so. Wiggle it a little more, get it stuck up there. Once you're done with that, lots of glue in this project, guys. You're going to cover the top, just here and there with glue. You're going to take your sprinkles. I'm just going to dump them out on here. And you're just going to roll your cone in your sprinkles. One more little dab of glue. Cherry on top. It says Weber's. If you do not have an opening at the bottom, you are going to cut a hole in the bottom. You are going to put a little dab of glue on the base of the pen. Not the cap, but the base of the pen. You're going to slide it up through the hole you made so that it sticks to the bottom of the ball. Then you are going to take another little piece of tape just to help stabilize it and let it dry. And you're just going to wrap it around the bottom of the cone. And voila, you have your own special ice cream cone pen to write with, courtesy of Weber's Ice Cream, who also provided you that delicious treat today. Thank you, and we'll see you again soon for another fun-filled Make It and Take It craft.